Hello, here's a quick tutorial on how I do my grading using some prepared feedback that I commonly use for students. So I'm doing this for Journal 2. When I go over to the students' work, I see that they did a great job using numbers and making very complete creator statements. And then down here on the paragraphs, I've already read them and they are very self-reflective and very complete. So at this point over here, I would go ahead and type out the student's name. And then I paste in the comments that I have going in my Google Doc that I keep updating. These are commonly used feedback that I use often. And you'll see the start of it says that the breakdown of your points is explained in the attached grading rubric. And I know sometimes students say that they were kind of already a creator. So these are just some common things. And this student happened to already say that they thought they were a creator, so that was good. Then I'm able to congratulate this student on using numbers and details in their creator statements, and that I really appreciate the example that they gave. And that they can start making changes now that they've become self-aware about their own victim and creator language, if that was the case. And then down below, I'm going to go ahead and delete these two comments in blue because they're kind of more of the ones where the students needed some suggestions and some help. And so this student did not need that because she did such a great job. So I do have a line in there about remembering to refer to the samples that are provided for each assignment if a student kind of submits something that's kind of off course. But I do not need that for her because she did such a great job. So I'm going to go ahead and submit that comment. And then I'm going to view the rubric and go ahead and give her full points since she did both part 1 and part 2 very completely. And click save, and she will be done.